Why is groundwater depletion a major water problem? Imagine turning on your tap and finding no water coming out. That's what happens when groundwater levels drop too low. Groundwater is a hidden resource that supplies nearly half of all drinking water worldwide. It also helps farms grow food, keeps industries running, and supports natural ecosystems. When too much water is taken from underground aquifers faster than nature can replace it, serious issues arise. One big problem is that wells become harder to use. As groundwater levels fall, wells need to be drilled deeper, which costs more money and uses more energy. Sometimes, wells can even run dry, cutting off water supplies for homes, farms, and businesses. This makes water less reliable and more expensive to get. Another concern is land sinking. When too much groundwater is pumped out, the ground can settle or sink. This process, called land subsidence, can damage roads, pipelines, sewer systems, and buildings. Fixing this damage can cost millions of dollars and cause major disruptions. Groundwater depletion can also harm water quality. In coastal areas, overpumping can cause seawater to seep into underground supplies, making the water salty and unsafe. It can also concentrate pollutants, making water treatment more difficult and costly for water utilities. Natural ecosystems suffer too. When groundwater levels drop, streams and wetlands lose their base flow, which is the water that keeps them alive. Without enough water, plants and animals that depend on these habitats struggle to survive. This can reduce the natural filtration of water, making it harder for utilities to provide clean water. The main cause of groundwater depletion is overpumping. Farmers, cities, and industries often take more water than the aquifers can naturally recharge. Climate change worsens the problem by reducing rainfall and surface water, forcing more reliance on underground sources. Urbanization also plays a role, as paved surfaces prevent rainwater from seeping into the ground. Utilities can help slow this process by encouraging water conservation. Simple steps like fixing leaks, using efficient appliances, and watering plants wisely can make a big difference. They can also promote recharge projects, like capturing stormwater and reusing wastewater, to add water back into underground supplies. Protecting recharge zones is vital. This means managing land use carefully and avoiding construction that blocks rainwater from soaking into the ground. Monitoring groundwater levels regularly helps utilities know when to cut back on extractions before damage occurs. Investing in better infrastructure is another key step. For example, upgrading irrigation systems can reduce water waste on farms. Using modern technology to detect leaks and improve water use efficiency helps keep groundwater levels stable. In the end, groundwater depletion is a serious issue that affects everyone. It threatens the affordability and safety of our water supplies. By working together, conserving water, and managing resources wisely, we can help ensure that this vital resource remains available for generations to come.